Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The Best Dust Volume Powder is probably one of the most versatile and transformative hair products available today, capable of adding incredible lift, texture, and hold to any hairstyle with just a few sprinkles. Whether you're aiming for sky-high volume, a perfectly tousled look, or just need to tame flyaways and add grip for intricate styling, this seemingly simple powder works wonders by absorbing excess oil and creating a matte, grippy foundation that allows your hair to hold its shape like never before. It's a secret weapon for achieving salon-worthy results at home, making it an indispensable tool for anyone looking to elevate their hair game. Number 5. BOLDIFY Water-Resistant Root Touch-Up Hair Color. Tired of thinning hair and visible roots? Our innovative powder provides instant coverage, giving you the confidence of a fuller look. Effortlessly blend away grays and roots with our easy-to-use hair powder. Achieve a natural, seamless finish in seconds. Enjoy worry-free wear that lasts all day. This formula is designed to be water-resistant and stain-proof, so it stays put. Application is a breeze with our mess-free design. Simply tap it on for targeted coverage where you need it most. Specifically formulated for thinning hair, it helps to create the illusion of thicker, more voluminous locks. Regain your confidence with a simple touch-up. Rediscover your hair's natural beauty and volume. It's the perfect solution for quick touch-ups and a more polished appearance. What we like? This product offers excellent water resistance and stays put for a full 24 hours without staining. It provides a mess-free application for easy touch-ups. If you need a reliable solution for gray coverage or thinning hair that lasts through your day, this is the one for you. What people say? They blend seamlessly into my hair, are mess-free, and I prefer them over spray-on types. They provide long-lasting coverage and maintain their effectiveness in humid climates. Medium ash brown covered the grays and looks natural. Did not rub off on my pillow and stayed in for 2 days. In addition to masking the grays, it adds some volume. You can feel it, makes your hair feel thicker. This is great powder. Unlike others, I don't need to apply hairspray first to make it stick. The color is solid and stays on very well. The pigment isn't shiny, so I have found if I use too much, it makes my roots look dull. A small price to pay for proper coverage that lasts, even after a full night's sleep. Number 4. BOLDIFY Hair Fibers, 28G, Medium Brown. Tired of thinning hair? Discover the secret to a fuller, thicker look in seconds. Our innovative hair fibers are designed to blend seamlessly with your natural color. Specifically formulated for those with fine or thinning hair, these fibers provide incredible volume and coverage. Achieve the confidence of a complete head of hair. Simply shake the bottle over thinning areas, and watch as the fibers cling to your existing hair. It's an effortless way to achieve a natural, undetectable finish. Finding your perfect match is easy with our wide range of 14 shades. We ensure a natural look for everyone, regardless of their hair color. Whether you're a man or a woman, these hair fibers are your go-to solution for addressing hair thinning. Regain your youthful appearance and self-assurance. This medium brown shade is a popular choice, blending beautifully with many hair tones. Get ready to transform your look with this versatile color. What we like? Achieve an instantly fuller and thicker look with these fibers. They blend seamlessly for a natural appearance and come in a wide range of shades for both men and women. If you're looking for a quick and effective way to combat thinning or fine hair, this is your go-to solution. What people say? It darkens and fills in the mild hair loss very well. Doesn't come off on bedding or clothes. Yes, washes out with shampoo easily. It not only fills in my gaps and makes my hair look thicker, it makes my hair feel thicker. The BOLDIFY hair fibers are made from natural, colored keratin protein, which clings to existing hair to create the appearance of fuller hair. The fibers are electrostatically charged, allowing them to bond securely to your hair without falling off easily. Application is straightforward. You shake the fibers onto the thinning areas, and they blend seamlessly with your natural hair. Number 3. MANIC Panic Flash Lightning Bleach Kit. Tired of dark hair holding you back? Get ready to transform your look with our revolutionary lightning kit. Achieve vibrant, bold colors like never before. Our advanced formula lifts up to 7 levels, giving you the perfect canvas for any shade. Plus, it's completely vegan and cruelty-free, so you can feel good about your choice. Achieve salon-quality results without leaving your home. This kit includes everything you need for a seamless and effective lightening experience. Finally, a bleach that works on dark hair. Effectively lighten even the deepest shades to prepare for your dream color transformation. Experience the super strength of our Flash Lightning Bleach. It's the ultimate tool for unlocking your hair's true potential and achieving stunning color results. We believe in beauty without compromise. That's why our lightning kit is proudly vegan and cruelty-free, ensuring ethical and effective hair care. What we like. This kit is designed to lift dark hair up to an impressive 7 levels. It's a vegan and cruelty-free option for achieving significant lightening. If you have very dark hair and are aiming for a dramatic blonde transformation, this powerful bleach kit is what you need. What people say. It lightens quickly and evenly. I have a sensitive scalp and this didn't burn. This definitely lightens the hair, and for me it worked on dyed hair, and my hair was either black-brown dyed, and it did lift the color to a bronze. The bleach lifted evenly and effectively without patchiness, and she was able to achieve the level of lightening she wanted in a single session. She mentioned that the consistency was easy to work with and applied smoothly. Number 2. BOLDIFY Hair Texture Powder and Volumizer. Tired of thin, lifeless hair? Discover the secret to fuller, more voluminous locks with our revolutionary hair texture powder. It's the ultimate styling solution for both men and women. Simply apply a small amount to your roots for an instant lift and incredible body. This lightweight powder adds texture and hold without any stiffness or residue. Specifically designed for those experiencing thinning hair, this volumizing powder helps create the appearance of thicker, denser hair. Regain your confidence with a fuller look. Its convenient travel size makes it perfect for touch-ups anywhere, anytime. Keep your hair looking its best whether you're at home or on an adventure. Whether your hair is fine, straight, or wavy, this versatile product works wonders. Achieve salon-quality results and enjoy beautiful, boosted hair every day. Experience the BOLDIFY difference and unlock your hair's true potential. Get ready to turn heads with your revitalized and voluminous hairstyle. What we like. This powder is perfect for adding instant volume and texture to your hair. Its travel-friendly size makes it ideal for on-the-go styling. If you have thinning hair and want to achieve a fuller, more styled look throughout the day, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. It does add volume to fine hair. I use it on the top of my head, and only at the roots. It works great in my hair. It gives my straight, fine, heavy, oily hair volume and texture. My hair is cut in an asymmetrical pixie, and usually by the end of the day it has gone flat, even if I dry it with a round brush. Apply a tiny amount at the roots, under your hair, never on top. It does provide excellent volume. Your hair will look okay but will feel very sticky. Number 1. Powder Duster for Pest Control. This tool is built to last with its sturdy metal handle. It's designed for effective pest control, serving as a reliable insecticide duster for homes and businesses. Achieve precise application of powders, even in hard-to-reach areas. This makes it ideal for diatomaceous earth and powdered insecticides, significantly enhancing your pest control efforts. This is a versatile tool suitable for various pest control tasks. Whether you need to spread diatomaceous earth or apply powders, it's your go-to solution for efficient pest management. It's user-friendly, allowing for effortless distribution of powders. With a comfortable grip and smooth operation, it's perfect for both beginners and experienced users. Achieve comprehensive pest control with this dust applicator. It provides efficient and even coverage, making your pest control routine more effective. What we like. This applicator offers precise and easy distribution of powders, featuring a durable metal handle for long-lasting use. Its versatility makes it suitable for various pest control needs in your home and garden. If you're looking for an effective and reliable tool for applying insecticidal powders like diatomaceous earth, this is an excellent option. What people say. The quality is good, and it feels sturdy enough to last. It spreads dust much better than the bottle tip the dust products come with. Provides a fine powder layer of boric acid which is necessary for ants. Bellows dusters work better than the squeeze bottle type powder spreaders when you want a fine dusting. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.